I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off.
What's up, squad? Welcome back to my channel. So if you have read the caption, then you know today is a review about my 3 top favorite cosmetic lines, and I'll also be featuring some of their products, of course, and a little surprise here and there. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, what products I use, and what my top 3 favorite cosmetic lines are, then keep on watching. Today we're going to be using the Nars concealer in Truffle, and we're going to be using the Real Techniques detailer brush. For obvious reasons, I love this detailer brush. It is shaped very beautifully. It has a point at the tip. Morphe is a very affordable yet quality filled product line. Today we're using the Beauty Blender by Morphe. This beauty blender, as you see, has a very beautiful shape to it. Of course, it has the usual egg shape, and then when you get a little more closer to the bottom, you have a really pointy shape. Let me tell you why I absolutely love NYX, okay? I can go down the street to my Walgreens and I can pick up anything I need. Absolutely anything that I need. So today we're gonna be trying out NYX Honey Do Me Up Face Primer. I have been seeing a lot of Instagrammers and just social media people just all over the place using serums as their primer. And in return, they say that it keeps their skin moisturized and it also helps them with acne. Now, as y'all know, I have been using the Murad for my skincare routine. I'm so sorry to address that after not even 10 days, I'm going to go ahead and hop back over to my regular skincare routine. Look at this. This side was already troubled. As you guys know, if you've seen my original video, I've got blackheads all on my forehead, and over here where I had beautiful, pretty much blemish-free skin, I've got hella pimples. And Murad, you got to go. It feels good on my skin. That serum definitely feels good to my skin, honey, baby. You can stay. You can stay, okay? Because I love you. One thing I can say off top about this beauty blender is it's definitely picking up the product. Like, you can see how I have a space right here. I wind up using more of my product because I have to go back over that space. I went ahead and stuck with my generic brand buffer brush. As you see here, I'm just blending that out. The next thing we're gonna dip into today is our Too Faced Born This Way face powder. Only did a top 3, so don't get greedy now. I just tap some into the top there. It has this little safe cap, so even if I flip it over, nothing comes out. I just want to give a shout out to Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And now with my M124 brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Luscious in my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Basically all I'm doing now is just buffering that down. Today we're going to be using the Morphe 35V palette. Here is a swatch of just a few colors. This inspiration is from I Beat That Face on Instagram. As you see, it's a very pretty radiant purple type of look. She definitely beat this face. Let's not just even front right now. So Your girl is under a lot of pressure right now. We're going to be using some of these individual eyeshadows, and I also have a empty mirrored magnet palette that I'm going to be attaching them to. Start in my crease. We're gonna go in with the darker purple Morphe M55 brush. Basically right here, all I'm doing is really just marking out where I'm gonna put that product. Morphe M139 brush. I'm gonna dip into that same color and I'm just gonna go right above it. And just go right above the purple. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe R38 brush, and this time focus on just blending that color up into my brow bone. And I'm just gonna go into my crease. One of my favorite products is their professional makeup eyeshadow base. As you see, I have one here. And I like to pat it because then the payoff is a lot better. And grab some of that purple. It's gonna go right next to it's actually gonna overlap the gold a little bit. Grab some of that black shade and just stick it into the corner. I chose to use the NYX Pigment instead of using glitter. I'm gonna apply some more serum right under my eyes because I lost a little bit from fallout. As mentioned before, Nars is my #1 favorite brand, so of course we're going to be using the Nars All Day Weightless Luminous Foundation. Today we're going to be mixing Dark 2 and Dark 3 together to get my perfect shade. So I'm trying to make sure I'm keeping it light, you know? And as you see, they're not really too far apart, but you can definitely tell that one is darker than the other. I'm just going to blend this out with my Real Techniques foundation brush. I'm going to start to set up my highlight and contour. Now I'm going in with the black Opal foundation stick. So we're just going to buff out the bottom parts. The Real Techniques concealer brush. I'm gonna spray my Morphe Beauty Blender. Just so I can get a little moisture. And I'm gonna blend out my concealer. This beautiful brush set from Tarte. It is the Let's Flamingo, I believe, brush set. The bristles on this brush are absolutely soft. Like, oh my goodness. Let's just see how well this, okay. Carves the face out. Sister Snatched, hey James. Try the blush brush. We're using the NYX blush. I'd say it's really good actually. So we have our little powder brush, so we're just gonna try that out. This is an actual flamingo. sprayed the shit out my face just now. I really need a highlighter. Like, somebody comment a good highlighter because I need one like today, okay? Bruh, look at this shit. Like, hello? Hello? Is anybody there? Hello? She just did a black lower line and a purple right underneath. So I'm gonna dip back into that Morphe palette and use an angled brush to apply it. My camera decided to die at the most unfortunate time possible. I combined the NYX matte lip liner in Subversive Socialite with NYX butter gloss and Creme Brûlée. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys stay beautiful, and of course I'll see you next time.